Big story that we are tracking, it's the delimitation which has now turned into a big controversy. It was MK Stalin and Home Minister Amit Shah who had a big face-off with regards to the delimitation process. And now, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has also come forward and he's also attacking Home Minister Amit Shah. The Chief Minister said that Home Minister Amit Shah's statements are misleading and also said that they are unreliable. He argued that there needs to be clarity with regards to the process and also said Home Minister Amit Shah is actually trying to undermine the southern states in the country. He also said that people now need to unite and fight against the injustice which the southern states are now facing. Home Minister Amit Shah, however, has given an assurance that the south of our country will not suffer because of the process. He said no Lok Sabha seat will be lost when the delimitation process will take place and that southern India will get its fair share. He also attacked MK Stalin and said that he's the one who in fact is misleading the people of the state of Tamil Nadu. Stalin has already said that there is a sword which is hanging over the entire southern India. He said Tamil Nadu will lose at least 8 Lok Sabha seats if the delimitation process is passed. In fact, the Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin also slammed Home Minister Amit Shah, saying that the BJP is now changing its stance.
The Prime Minister Mr. Modi, when he opened the new parliament, he said it's going to increase. It was like 2 years back. And in 2023, I think Mr. Amit Shah, he also spoke that it will definitely affect the South Indian states. But now they are, since our leader, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, has raised up the issue, they are changing the stand.
Tamil Nadu के मुख्यमंत्री और उनके सुपुत्र दोनों तमिलनाडु जनता का ध्यान भटकाने के लिए कुछ मुद्दे खड़े कर रहे हैं। मोदी जी ने निश्चित रूप से आपके सभी हितों की रक्षा कर डिलिमिटेशन में आपका एक भी सीट प्रोरेटा कम न हो और जो बढ़ोतरी होगी इसमें उचित हिस्सा दक्षिण भारत के राज्यों को भी मिलेगा। इसमें कोई शंका रखने की जरूरत नहीं है। तमिलनाडु के सीएम हमेशा मोदी सरकार ने तमिलनाडु को अन्याय किया इसकी बात करती। मैं आज सीएम साहब को कहने आया हूं, अगर आप सही बोलते हैं तो कल मेरी बात का जवाब तमिलनाडु की जनता के सामने देंगे। तमिलनाडु एक मिनट, आप गोलमोल बात मत करिए। मैं आज स्टेटिस्टिक के साथ हमारा अकाउंट लेकर आया हूं, इसका जवाब देना।
Only on population they can't divide parliament or MLA seat because Northeast is a very hill area. There is no population. In Goa also hill station there is no population. So no, I think they will when they are doing the delimitation. That time, naturally, central government take all these precautionary measures.
Delimitation, if delimitation has to be done, it should be 2/3 majority. There is no 2/3 majority, it will not happen. Delimitation, if delimitation has to be done, it should be 2/3 majority. There is no 2/3 majority, it will not happen.
According to Amit Shah, if nothing is going to happen as to reduce the number of seats from the south, he can explain it how they are going to go about in a meeting of the national political parties. That is the best thing. If, as feared, a increase of seats in North India happens and the Lok Sabha seats from the south are going to be reduced, this will affect even national integration, the unity of our country. This is a very serious issue. So, in a responsible manner, central government should clarify its position.